Have you ever lost your camera gear? Are you looking for ideas about how to recover your camera gear if it ever does get lost? Today at the House of Hacks, I'm going to show you a strategy to help your camera gear find its way home if it gets lost. I belong to a local photography Facebook group, and occasionally people in that group will find camera gear that was left at popular shooting locations. Generally what happens is the person that finds the gear will post where it was found and who to contact to get the gear back. And many times the owner as a member of the group sees the post and is able to get their equipment back. Inspired by these posts, this is the third in a series of ideas to help you get your camera gear back if it ever gets lost. The other ideas can be found in the videos in this playlist. Hi, if we're just meeting, welcome. I'm Harley and this is the House of Hacks, where we talk about workshop related items. Things made out of wood, metal, electronics, and other things of that nature. Today we're talking about photography gear. The previous two tips were a bit on the technical side and required knowledge of the finder to go look for the information. And they'd only worked for your camera and memory cards. Today's tip is less technical and more obvious for the finder. And it's this: go get pet tags for your gear. You can go down to your local pet store and they have engraving machines where you can have anything engraved on little tags. You can then put these tags on your camera gear. At a minimum, you probably want one for your camera and your bag, but you can get one for any gear that you want to put it on. However, you can't put much information on them, just your name, phone number, and maybe an email address. Another place to get them is on Amazon. They have a bunch of different vendors with a bunch of different styles. I'll leave an affiliate link below to a search query showing those different options. I'd love to hear in the comments below if you have any strategies you use for identifying your equipment. And remember, it's a great idea to use a multi-pronged approach to identifying your gear. For example, this way, while it helps for a lot of your gear, doesn't work for memory cards. I'll see you in one of these videos that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. And when making things, remember, perfection's not required, fun is.